Welcome to our tutorial on sending files via Messenger. Messenger, Facebook's messaging platform, offers a convenient way to share various file types with your contacts. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of sending files using Messenger. First, ensure you're logged into your Facebook account. Open the Messenger app or access Messenger through the Facebook website on your desktop. Choose the contact or group to which you want to send the file. Click on the chat of the recipient to open the conversation window. To send a file, look for the plus or more icon in the chat window. Click on it to reveal a menu of options. Then, select File or Files, depending on the platform you're using. Navigate through your device's files to select the file you wish to send. Messenger allows various file types, including images, videos, documents, and more. Choose the desired file and click Open or Send, depending on your device. After selecting the file, click Send to share it with the chosen contact or group. Messenger will display a confirmation once the file has been sent successfully. If you're the recipient, you'll receive a notification when someone sends you a file. Simply click on the file within the chat to download and access it on your device. And there you have it. Sending files through Messenger is a convenient way to share various content with your contacts. Whether it's photos, videos, or documents, Messenger offers an efficient platform for quick and easy file sharing. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.